Here we are at our 2015 Premier 250 Solaris PTX Tritoon for sale. We're here on Norris Lake. This is a one-owner boat. At the time of this video, I do not have the exact engine hours. Estimated around 100 hours, probably less than that. But I will try to have the hours posted at our website along with the listing. The website's where you're going to find the current asking price. We don't mention those in the video tours because those will often change throughout a listing until boat's sold. But our website is very easy to navigate. It is www.yournewboat.com. Once you make it there, you'll see the orange lettering. Click the Find Your New Boat button in the left-hand corner. That's going to show you all of our inventory and order price. And all you got to do is scroll down until you see the 2015 Premier 250 Solaris PTX. You'll see a photo of it that'll look probably just like it does right now in the video. You'll see the asking price right there. You can click into it to see the full list of specifications and features on this one. And of course, our contact information is going to be all over that website. That is the best way to get a hold of us, through our website. We don't monitor the YouTube comment page, so if you're watching this video there, contact us through our website. You can contact us by text, by phone, or by email. If you ever call us on the phone and get our voicemail and would like a return phone call, please leave us a detailed message. Let us know what questions you've got, and that way whenever we call you back, we can have all those answered for you. So, as you can see, we've got the Tritoon PTX package and the luxury woven vinyl flooring. This has the teak look to it. This is a 3-gate layout. We've got a removable table right here on your starboard side bench seat. I actually really like how that's kind of a slim table, so you can actually leave that table up and you can still walk easily around it without it having it go the whole way. And of course, it's on a swivel there too, so you can spin it. You can, you know, if you're sharing this with people sitting across from you, you can do that, or you can pull it over that, and that just does not take up a whole lot of space, even when it's mounted in position like it is now. So we've also got in-floor storage right here in your center pontoon. This does have 25-inch diameter pontoons. Looking at a big Jensen subwoofer right there. We've got 6 total speakers plus a subwoofer. Now on their port side seat, this is a pop-up changing room. It's really nifty how Premier kind of builds this changing room into that front seat. And then of course you've got a little zippered compartment. That's your changing room right in there. So you can get a little built-in mirror there. And then I'm gonna lower this back down, tuck that canvas in, and it's back in place. Oh, this corner cushion is back in there now. Okay, so we've got a large, this has got to be a raised height Bimini top. That's got to be an option. That is really high up off the floor, gives you plenty of headroom under there. That's very nice. This is a removable seat, or it's repositionable. Some people will put it at the back gate. Some people put it at the bow gate. Some people put it right here on the side, but it just gives you more seating. And you've also got storage under here as well. All of these Premier seats, they're on a hinge. They lift up, and you've got plastic molded seat bases, so there's no wood in there. You've got the dual captain seat layout, and you'll notice, especially from this angle, that driver's seat's a little bit higher than the passenger seat. That's because it has the optional raised helm. And so it enables the driver to see a little bit more clearly in case you've got a crowded boat. Tilt steering wheel. We've got your touchscreen display panel. This has a Chartplotter. It's got your stereo controls, and it's got air and water temperature gauges, a compass, lots of cool features built into it. Trim gauge over here, tachometer, speedometer over here, 12-volt power outlet, horn. And this is your USB and auxiliary input. So the stereo is an AM, FM, USB, auxiliary, Bluetooth stereo that is satellite ready. The head unit for that's right over here behind your passenger seat. So here's your Jensen head unit. So there's your full controls for it here, but the USB and auxiliary inputs over here at your driver's station. And again, you've got the stereo controls built into that color touchscreen. So basically you've got a driver stereo remote right there at the helm. This one is rated for 16. Engine alarm right here, as well as your digital engine hour meter. Speaker right there at the driver's seat. And here's your rear seating layout. Again, this is, I bet this is probably about about 7-8 feet of clearance here in the center. You've probably got, actually you probably got 6.5 feet right here at the low point, and then the upper point is, I'm gonna guess, probably over 7 feet. So also here right behind your passenger seat, you've got a little compartment here that is for a wastebasket, a little built-in wastebasket, and then this seat also raises up on the, here it is, there's your wastebasket there. So this little ottoman here is removable. It's a little built-in cooler, but it is not attached. You can position this anywhere you like, use it as a footrest. Just again, storage under all the rest of your seats. Now we've got a single battery on board here. Battery switch is back here. That's on a hinge. So we've got a battery switch here. I'm actually going to turn this battery switch to the on position. And I will hit the main power switch. And I'll show you this little color touchscreen here at your helm. That is loading up. So here's your home screen, battery voltmeter, oil pressure gauge, fuel gauge, engine temperature gauge, depth finder, compass, air temp, and water temp. We've also got the abilities to turn on and off all your lighting here. So we've got courtesy lights. I'm gonna actually turn these on along with your exterior strip lights. Courtesy lights are gonna light up your speakers. The LED here. You've also got docking lights. You've got a courtesy light that's built into your Bimini top right here, a little LED light here. And you've got underwater lights as well. And the underwater lights don't quite show up in the daylight. All the navigation lighting on this one has been function tested, as well as your docking lights, working horn. So I'll load it up right here. And then of course you can zoom in and out over here as well. So I just needed a minute to find where we were and to get everything loaded. So let's continue this on. We do have, I think I mentioned we've got six total speakers, 1 subwoofer. We've got the Turbo Swing ski tow bar, along with a 4-step swim boarding ladder. This is a paper towel holder. And then 2 stainless cup holders mounted here, 2 over here. I believe with the removable table, there's 7 total cup holders. So there's that 250 horsepower Suzuki 4-stroke outboard motor. That is electronic fuel injection. And then that exterior lighting is kind of built into that pontoon. You can see the little blue glow there. And we've also got the aluminum underskin underneath the decking. So again, this is the 1-owner boat, very clean boat, in good condition. No trailers included. We can get you a new trailer at our cost, or we can arrange to have this transported to you. It's a little dusty from sitting under this covered slip. And there's also a full mooring cover that's included with this one. So that's going to wrap things up for us here today. Visit us at our website for more information and to contact us. Thank you very much for joining us. You'll see a little orange Your New Boat logo. You can click on that to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. Thank you again for joining us.